Okay, alright. Now I will explain. You guys have, saya dah explain daripada from the door until sit down. Alright. Now I will explain to you guys how to unfold your napkins. Alright. To unfold your napkins, you have to remember jaga you punya hygiene. Alright, because your hand might be dirty. You know, because customer don't like, especially on hygiene things, they will be careful on that one. So when you want to unfold your napkin, do not take like this. Faham? Jangan ambil tangan menggunakan the whole of your ni dekat sini. You kena ambil menggunakan just fingertip. Alright. So you ambil, contoh you ambil ni, you boleh ambil macam ni, this one. Okay, take this one and open it. Okay. When you open, fold it into triangle. Alright. Selalunya kalau you tengok dekat luar dia akan buat macam ni, betul? Jangan. Ini habuk mau kena VIP ni. Alright. So cara dia, alright, the way is you make it into triangle shape. Alright, you can do it behind. Alright, and then kalau you nak bersihkan pun, you just like that and you put on the customer lap. Alright, should be on the customer lap. Be careful. Okay, the way is, I don't want you guys, it should be like you are, your position should be like you are hugging the customer. Faham tak? Bukan macam ni. Kenapa bukan macam ni? You punya siku. Alright, might be. So do not do like this. Excuse me ma'am. Bayangkan macam tu. Faham tak? So you kena macam mana? Macam you nak peluk dia, like you are hugging them. Alright, excuse me ma'am. Alright, sorry. Then your hand. Okay, hold two hands. Alright, excuse me ma'am. Alright, put it there. Faham? Alright. That is the way for you to unfold your napkins. Alright. Normally sometimes our customer, they have already taken, dah buka. Contohlah the next one, you nak serve on the right side, this is on the right side, you nak serve dekat sini pula. Okay, tapi dia dah buka. Okay, contoh Aina dah buka. Okay, contohlah Aina dah buka. Alright, for example. Okay, contohlah you dah settlekan this one. Alright, and then you nak sini pula, tapi dia dah letak dah. So you buat apa? Janganlah you jangan. Letak balik. Mr. Rahman cakap kena unfold. Entahlah makar kang. Boleh ke? Tak boleh. Dia dah letak, biar dia, let it be. Faham? Alright, then you go for the next one. Okay, next, after you have unfold your napkin, you have to ask the customer on, would you like to have cold water or warm water? Sebab apa? You akan bagi complimentary water, cold or warm. So you need to ask, would you like to have cold water or warm water, ma'am? Warm water. Cold water. Cold water. Alright, that's all. You tak perlu pergi, you don't have to go one by one. You can just sit here and ask. Okay, cold water, warm water. Alright, and then you go and take the cold water. Alright, tolong ambil satu water pitcher kat sana, ada tak? Water pitcher. Tahu tak water pitcher tu apa? Okay, bagus. Okay, alright. So example, you have already get the water. Alright, so you pour the water. Pour the water, do not do like this, mama style. Alright, so your style, you have to be left hand and, excuse me ma'am. Alright, and go to the right. Understand? That's how you do it. Kalau you left handed boleh lah. Kalau you left handed kan boleh macam tu. No problem. Your strong hand, you can use that. Alright, so once you have already pour the water, pour the drinks, alright, this is where you will take the menu. Right, ada kertas, bagi satu kertas. Contoh. Okay, bring the menu. Okay. Okay, might be the menu in the middle, boleh jadi. Okay, kalau if it is not in the middle, might be it's from the counter lah. So you have to bring four menu. Okay, contohlah. Sapu punya, saya main koyak je ni. Alah, siapa suruh tinggal lah. Okay, alright. So your menu, bring your menu. Bring your menu and pass it to the customer. Do not put on the plate. You have to show it. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your menu on your right side. Okay. Do not do like this. Excuse me. Okay, excuse me, no. Alright? Alright? Do not cross the table, understand? Anything, do not cross the table. Go side by side. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your menu. Okay? Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your menu. Sorry, sir. Ma'am pula dah. Excuse me, sir. Here's your menu. Alright? Okay, so once you have already given the menu, this is where you introduce yourself. Remember tadi saya kata jangan panggil nama. You introduce yourself. Okay? Alright, so good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Rahman. I will be your waiter for today. Alright? For today, this is where you will explain the menu. But before you explain the menu, you have to mention that I'm your server for today. Don't say waiter lah. I am your server for today. Alright? Anything, please let me know. Alright? So for appetizer, we have blah 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 blah. Alright? For soup, we have blah 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 blah. For main course, we have choices of two, which is chicken blah 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 and beef blah 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 blah. Okay? And for dessert, we will have chicken pudding. Chicken pudding, Alright? And we do also give you complimentary coffee and tea. Alright? With the mocktail of the day. Alright? Faham? So on the day, you kena memorize. Hafal. Saya akan berada di sebelah you, saya akan dengar lu tengok. Kalau customer tu, you nampak customer tu, you boleh lah you baca. Kalau customer tu pun saja tutup kan. You kena hafal lah. So you kena remember. Understand? So that is where you introduce yourself. Alright? So dah ambil menu. Okay, you have already introduced about the menu. Alright, if the customer asks question, you have to answer. Do you have any nuts? Yes sir, we have nuts. But if you having because kita dah dalam reservation form kita ada letak untuk allergic semua kan, so kita dah tahulah. Alright, okay, so done. Let them, selalunya in restaurant you have to let them to make choices lah. Tapi in your situation, you dah tahu dah, betul? You already know what they ordered. Alright, so you just wait for like few seconds and then come back. Okay, excuse me, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, based from the reservation, you have ordered 2 chicken and 2 fish for the main course. Am I right? Okay, may I know which one is having the chicken, which one is having the fish? Chicken, fish, and fish, chicken. Alright. Okay, why do you need to ask them which one are taking chicken and fish? Yes, later you have to send the fish, and remember, fish we need to change the cutleries, right? So you remember, okay, fish. Understand? Kan dalam reservation link tu, dia dah buat reservation awal dah. Ya. So you dah tahu dah you table mana. Okay? Yes. Alright. So you have already confirmed. Okay, finalize the menu. Alright. Okay, so 2 chicken, 2 fish, chicken. Alright. Okay. I will serve the appetizer in a short while. Okay. And then ke belakang satu je, and then bergerak. Okay. Once you already confirm the menu, in your hand should have the kita panggil captain order. What is captain order? Captain order is the list that you all have already taken the order. Alright. In your situation, dalam captain order tu ada appetizer, soup, main course, dessert. Alright. So you have to confirm on that and times. For example, ada 4, right? Appetizer times 4, soups times 4. Alright. And then main course macam mana? 2 fish, 2 chicken, and then dessert 4 chicken. 4 dessert and then mocktail. Understand? So this captain order, you will receive, they will have 3 layers. Alright? Which is layer number 1 is for the kitchen. Layer number 2 is for the one in the middle, the assistant manager. You pass to the assistant manager. And layer number 3 is for the bartender. You understand? So that is where you have to pass to your assistant manager. Faham? Okay, so once you have your captain order, you already write your captain order. Next, you need to fire the order. Apa maksud fire order? Terus bawa pergi sana. There will be your assistant manager there. inform your assistant manager, fire order, appetizer. Assistant manager will inform the kitchen. Alright, fire order table number 2, appetizer 4 please. Inform kitchen. Kitchen akan inform the team lah. Understand? That is where once you have already confirmed the order, fire order. Okay. So while waiting for the food to be prepared, what you need to do? Apa yang next you kena buat? You will need to serve the bread and butter. Okay. How to serve the bread and butter? Okay, let me show you guys. Now is where you serve after you have already fired the order. While waiting for the appetizer, you will need to serve the bread. Alright. So normally your bread is in a basket, but I don't have the basket now. I'll just show you this example lah. Alright. So the basket and together with the butter. Alright. So you bring your basket, alright, and you serve the customer. Alright. For example, okay. For bread and butter, it should be on your left side. Remember, customer left side. Alright, so you should not serve here because this one is for her. Alright, so you should be this side. Okay, nampak ke kamera tu? Nampak Okay, so how to serve? Alright, take your serving gear. This one I will teach you guys later after this. This is called serving gear. Alright, you take your bread. Excuse me, ma'am. This is your bread. Alright, and then take the butter. Understand? That is how you serve your bread and butter. Okay, then next one, excuse me. Alright, take your bread, take your butter. Okay, tapi tak perlu sebut lah, take your bread. This is your bread, ma'am. Done. Alright, so once you have served the bread and butter, then you are done. Okay, stop. Okay, now once you have already given the what do you call it, the bread and butter, alright, the appetizer is ready. Alright, so you take your appetizer on the counter, alright, and have to send to the customer. Alright, this one I have teach you guys, right, how to hold the plates. Alright, so when you send to your customer, remember, follow the sequence. Alright, remember that is the person that you have to serve first. Alright, okay. You have to serve the customer. Alright, excuse me, ma'am, this is your appetizer. Alright, when you serve, remember your hand, you nampak tak tangan saya dekat sini ni? It should be on the top. Jangan macam ni, sebab ini nanti you akan ambil kesempatan. Faham? Yang ini tangan you kat sini, selamat. Faham tak? Alright, so dekat sini tepi pun boleh, tapi lebih elok macam ni. Tepi pun boleh. Alright, dalam keadaan you dah sempit, tak ada masalah. Tapi kalau konsepnya mesti atas. Excuse me, ma'am, here's your appetizer. Alright, and then which one yang you kena bagi? Yang ini ke yang ini? Atas. Yang atas. Jangan ambil yang bawah dulu. Ambil bawah, atas jatuh. Alright, excuse me. Jangan cross. Faham tak? Jangan buat macam ni. Saya nampak cross, siap you all. Alright, so you all sini. Excuse me, ma'am, here's your appetizer. Laju excuse me, ma'am, here's your, excuse me, sir, sorry, here's your appetizer. Alright, yang satu lagi tu kawan you akan bawa and you serve. Excuse me, sir, here's your appetizer. Okay, lepas tu enjoy your appetizer, sir. Okay, and then you ke belakang. Faham? Okay, clear Okay, alright, so now I will teach you guys on how to clear the plates. Remember just now you serve the plates with 3 plates altogether. Clear also you have to clear with 3 plates. Okay, how to clear your plates? Alright, first thing first. Alright, remember again the same gas. Alright, clear the gas. Okay, how to clear the plates? Alright, excuse me, ma'am, may I clear your plates? Alright, you take this one. Okay, semua dekat sini, takut you all tak nampak. Semua dekat, nak ke mana tu? Okay, so pegang sama juga like how you hold your when you serve. Alright, put it here. Okay, okay, and dekat sini you kena, when you clear your plate, excuse me, ma'am, can I clear your plates? Okay, this is where you put this plate on your top like this. Okay, dekat sini there will be leftover food, right? So you have to take this one and push it, pull it down. Do not do in front of the customer. You understand? Alright, no, alright, so you dekat belakang ni, you tolak dia. Once you dah tolak, yang ini letak dekat sini. You understand? Once you have put this one, last one is this one, right? Okay, this is where you clear the third one. Excuse me, sir. Have you finished with your appetizer, sir? Can I clear your plates? Alright, okay. This is where you put this one on the top of the second plate. Same concept, push the leftover. Alright, and put it down. You see? Understand? So last one, excuse me. Oh, sorry, excuse me, sir. Alright. Excuse me, sir, can I clear your plates? Okay. Alright. Last one, okay, you just put it on your top. Alright, and this one you clear. Go to the kitchen, clear the plates. Faham? Nah. Okay, clear? The hardest part is where you have to clear, when you have to clear your plates. Okay, I want to see you guys do that. Do not just clear like that and you understand me? Yes. You have to follow the procedures. Okay, alright. Okay, once you have done with your appetizer, you have cleared the appetizer. Alright, you have to serve the soup. Alright, the soup you have to use. I don't want you guys to hold like this. You understand me? When you serve the soup, make sure you bring your tray. Okay, bring your tray and serve the customer. Alright, so for example, this is your soup. Alright, so you are serving the soup. Alright, as usual, the same sequence. Alright, go to your first customer. Alright, excuse me, ma'am. Here's your soup. Alright, and remember, take your soup. When you hold your tray, take the one outside first. Last, you left the one inside. Alright, excuse me, ma'am. Alright, jangan. Excuse me, ma'am. Ramai dah terjadi. Setiap kali kelas saya mesti ada yang macam tu. Saya rasa kelas ni pun akan ada. So jangan, relax je. Relax je. Nampak? Dengar tak? Tak dengar pun kan? Jangan. Dia tengok pula nenek ni kan. Contoh. Alright. So you have to make sure serve it carefully. Excuse me, ma'am. Put it on the. Make sure the ears of the soup cup is facing 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. Customer punya lah. Jangan ikut korang punya. Kalau korang punya di macam ni. Alright. Follow your customer. Alright. Okay. Excuse me. Here's your soup. Alright. Be careful lah when you serve. This one is still here. Jangan seronok sangat serve. Sini dah tumpah dah. Faham? Alright. So be careful. Excuse me, sir. Here's your soup. Okay. Okay. And last one. Excuse me. Here's your soup. Alright. So when you put your soup before, then you have to enjoy your soup, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, enjoy your soup. Okay. Then you stand by here lah. As usual, stand by dekat sini. Okay. Makan. Alright. Dah kat dah tadi? Belum. Okay, tak apa, teruskan. Okay, then how to clear your soup cup? Alright, bring also your tray and clear. Alright, excuse me, ma'am. Have you done with your soup? Yes. Alright, so you take your soup. Okay, this one here susun je macam ni. Letak ni, letak satu sini. Kenapa? Sebab lagi jimat space. Alright, excuse me, ma'am. Ini clear your soup. Okay, letak satu sini. Ni letak atas. Okay. And last one. Excuse me, sir. Ni apa ni? Tak tahu, ada benda kat dalam. Okay. Jangan letak tinggi-tinggi. Faham tak? Jatuh. So you letak second. 2 layer dah cukup dah. Alright. And last one. Tengok. Muat tak? 4. Muat je. Excuse me, sir. Sorry. Can I clear your plates? Alright. Okay. Done. And then clear. Alright, so get ready for tomorrow. Next week. Kenapa next week? Get ready untuk main course. Tak sabar dah ni. Okay, cut. Alright, so before you serve your main course, remember that main course 2 of them are taking fish. two of them are taking chicken. For chicken, it's okay. The setup is already there. Now you have to change the cover. This is called changing the cover. Alright, so change the cover where you have to change your fish knife and also your fish fork. Alright, so how you do it? Yang tadi mana fish kan? Alright, so how you change your cover? Alright, you just go to the customer. Excuse me, ma'am. Alright, take out the dinner knife first and put your dinner fork. Fish fork here. Okay. Alright. Okay, and then same goes to here. Okay, and change your fish fork. You understand me? Okay, jangan buat macam ni ya. Ulang tayang. Jangan macam ni. Excuse me. Itu kita panggil cross. Saya tak nak tengok your cross So make sure dekat sini. Alright, excuse me ma'am. Change your cover. Okay. You tak perlu cakap pun, cuma dia tahulah. Okay, so sama juga dengan sini lah. Apa dia? Excuse me. Tak yang ngade lah, nak tukar juga. Okay, alright. So that's how you change your cover before you serve your main course. Alright. Okay, now once you have already changed the cover, now you can serve the main course. Alright, serve main course. For guys, you need to hold 3 plates. For girls, female, 2 plates should be okay. Tapi guys, kalau 3 pun tak boleh, ikut you all lah. Appetizer, makan lebih, betul. Appetizer, semua kena serve 3 tangan. Alright, 3 plate. Alright. 3 tangan. sorry. Alright, mana tahu ni Sumi ada 3 tangan, tiba keluar tangan lagi satu. Alright, okay. Alright, so serve your main course sama juga, same thing. Alright, excuse me. Excuse me ma'am, here's your main course. Alright. Alright. Excuse me ma'am, here's your main course. Alright. Excuse me, here's your main course. Alright, mana satu lagi? Alright, make sure you have your another friend for you to serve. Alright, excuse me sir, here's your main course. Enjoy your main course, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? Bodyguard. Okay, dah. Okay, once you have done with they have done with the main course, clear their plates. Alright. So how to clear your plates? Sama juga, same thing. Alright. Excuse me, ma'am. Can I clear your plates? Alright. Okay. This one ni berat sikit, so you kena be careful lah. Alright. Excuse me, ma'am. Can I clear your plates? Alright. Sama je, same thing. Okay. Tolak. Okay. Letak bawah. Okay. And then next one. Excuse me. Can I clear your plates? Yes, sir. Alright. Okay. Push the leftover. Okay. And last one. Okay, excuse me sir, can you clear your plates? Okay, then you clear. Alright, nah. Okay, faham? Okay, pause. Okay, once you have done with your dinner, your main course, once you have done with the main course, alright, what you need to do is to do major clearing. What is major clearing? Major clearing bukan meja kursi ni, bukan. Major, M-A-J-O-R. Major clearing means that you have to clear some of the things on the table, right, before you serve the dessert, right? But before that, you need to do this one. This is called crumbing down. What is crumbing down? Crumbs. Normally you have crumbs down there, right? So you have to crumbing down, alright? So how you do it? You should have your napkin and your any BB plate, alright, and crumb, right? How do you crumb, right? This one here, okay, maybe can focus, boleh nampak tak focus tak? Alright, you just push all those sisa-sisa makanan kan, macam ni kan, alright. Walaupun tak ada, you buat je lah ada, okay, and then you understand, alright, and then once you have already crumbing down, alright. This one here you pull down there.
Itu pun jangan cross kan?
Yang ni tak apa sebab dia memang dia punya. Lain cross tu kalau awak punya saya cross, itu tak boleh. Faham? Alright. So next one, dekat sini sama juga. Excuse me sir. Alright. And then letak. Okay, same goes to here. Excuse me sir.
Perut keren.
Cik, masalah tak muat cik. Cik, tu button cik. Oh tak. Okay, excuse me. Okay. Oh sorry, tu saya dah lupa. Duk kacau korang kan. Okay. Alright. Okay. So we have done with the crumbing down service. Alright. You dah crumbing down service. Okay, next one is you have to clear your, that's why I kata tadi major clearing, betul? So major clearing, you have to clear some of the things, which is number one, your BB plate, your BB knife, clear. Alright? And then some of it, mungkin ada mocktail glass kan, ada rock glass, you boleh clear juga. So ini semua you clear. Remember kalau you lupa clear ni, maksudnya markah you akan ditolak sebab you tak buat major clearing. Yang tu tak apa. Only left your dessert cutleries and also your goblet. Okay. Motin kalau ada clear. Kalau maksud saya kalau dah habis boleh clear. Kalau tak habis biar je lah. Okay. Alright. So done. Okay. Stop. Alright. So your dessert. Once you have done with the main course, remember after main course tadi buat apa? Major clearing and also crumbing down service. Alright, so once you have done with that, then you serve the dessert. Alright, bring your dessert. Excuse me ma'am, here's your dessert. Okay. Alright, excuse me ma'am, here's your dessert. Okay, dessert sir. Alright, and last one. Last one. Excuse me sir, here's your dessert. Alright, enjoy your desserts. So once you already send the dessert, you can ask them, would you like to have coffee or tea? Sir, sorry. Jangan lapor sangat. Kalau dia tak nak, it's okay. You don't want, it's okay. Any coffee or tea, sir? Complimentary for coffee and tea. Free, tahu tak complimentary tu apa? Benda free lah, free. You don't want? Tak ada. Tea, alright. So once you dah order, you tulis lah. Okay. Sebab takut you lupa. Alright, so satu tea. Then you pergi ambil tea and serve the tea. Okay. So once they have makan the dessert, okay, dah boleh. Okay. Okay, sebab dessert ni pakai, okay, dessert sebab dia kecil, you boleh pakai tray. Alright, excuse me ma'am, can I clear your plates? Alright. Alright. Kalau boleh laju. Alright. Sebab dia orang pun dah nak balik. Okay. Excuse me. Me. Alright. Excuse me. Okay. So you have done clear your dessert and they have already taken their coffee and tea. So, apa lagi? Itulah habisnya you punya service. Alright. Tunggulah sampai wait until they ask for the bill. Contohlah. So contohlah ni Tan Sri panggil bill. Semasa main course. Motel. Semasa main course.
Hantar main course dulu lah.
Ya. Main course dulu. Dekat atas water goblet. Okay, so last is you prepare the bill lah. Alright. So bill kita akan hantar the bill. Alright, contoh you dah hantar, you bagi the bill. Alright, they have already paid. Alright, so send the bills. Alright, for example, and dia dah nak bergerak. Okay, you kena cepat-cepat tolak kursi. Contohlah you nak balik dah. Okay, bangun. Semua bangun lah, semua nak balik kan. Dia seorang je kena balik. Semua nak balik. Contoh semua nak balik. Cepatlah bangun. La ilaha illallah. Yang ni tak apa. You letak situ. Okay. Sis ma'am. Okay. Alright. And you assist them. Alright. This way ma'am. I'm here, sir. Alright. Okay. Alright. and then bring them to the. So semasa you hantar tu, alright, you have to say thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for having dinner at our Saffron restaurant. Alright, lunch. Sorry, thank you for having lunch at our Saffron restaurant. Hope to see you all again. I'll see you again. Alright, alright, sila.